Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious alcohol-free margarita. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lime juice, orange juice, and agave nectar. You'll also need a cocktail shaker, plenty of ice, and your favorite glass. Don't forget a little salt or sugar for the rim if you like that classic touch. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion, offering a refreshing taste without the alcohol. Now, let's get to mixing. Start by pouring 2 ounces of fresh lime juice into your cocktail shaker. Next, add 1 ounce of orange juice, which provides a lovely citrus balance. Then, include about 1/2 ounce of agave nectar for sweetness. Adjust to your preference. Fill the shaker with ice, making sure it's about 2/3 full, and secure the lid tightly for a good shake. With all your ingredients in the shaker, it's time to shake. Vigorously shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until the outside of the shaker feels very cold. This ensures your mocktail is perfectly chilled and well mixed. Next, strain the delicious, chilled mixture into your prepared glass, whether it's rimmed with salt or not. Finally, garnish with a fresh lime wedge or wheel for that authentic margarita look. Your refreshing, alcohol-free margarita is now ready to enjoy. Take a moment to savor the vibrant flavors and cool sensation. This recipe is designed to create one perfect serving, but it's easy to scale up for a crowd. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking for a delicious, festive drink without the alcohol. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Cheers to a delightful drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.